Hi, in this video, we're going to look at slicing a list and also about indexing. So what do I mean by that? Let me go ahead and share my screen. So here again, we have a list containing 4 employees in department 1. So mostly when we do data analysis and data cleaning or even analysis, so what happens is that we're going to be working with a big data set, right? But we want to do analysis on a subset of that data set. Okay, so this means that we need to extract a part of that data set instead of performing our analysis on the bigger data set. We wanted to extract a specific part of the data set that we wanted to do our analysis on. So in this case, we can use what's called slicing. So what does slicing a list mean? So for example, this list contains Peter, John, Maria, and Tom, but we wanted to extract John and Maria. In our previous videos, we have looked at methods on how to delete a particular element from a list or add elements into a list. But this time we're going to just extract, for example, let's say John and Maria. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use a method called slicing. So let's go here on this new line and say we want to extract John and Maria. So what we're going to do is department 1, and then we square brackets. John is in the first position, counting from the left. Peter is in 0 position. John is in the first position, and Maria is in the second position. Tom is in the third position. Now we wanted to extract John and Maria. John's position is, we say, first, right? He's in the first position. And then we say colon Maria's position plus 1, which is Maria's position is second, plus 1 is 3. So we do 3. This may not be intuitive, but this is how we do it. So John and Maria. John's position is first, but Maria's position is not third. It's the second position, but the number we put here is Maria's position plus 1. So let's say we want to extract Peter and John. So 0 position and first position, right? So what we can do is we can go ahead and say department 1, and then we can open our brackets, and then we say we put nothing to the left of the colon, and then we say let's extract 2 of them, 2 names starting from the left. So we press shift and enter, and we extract Peter and John. In this case, we don't put 3. We put John's position as itself because we're starting from the beginning of the list. Or we can alternatively say, the first method is better, but we can alternatively say 0 and 2. I think that works just fine, Peter and John. So now let's say we wanted to extract the last 2, Maria and Tom. So what we're going to do is department 1. So Maria is in the 0, 1, 2 second position, and Tom is in the third position, but we're extracting we're going until the end of the list, so there's no need to indicate Tom's position as 3. So we just leave it as it is. We shift enter, and Maria and Tom will be extracted because we're going to the end of the list. Here we're starting from the beginning of the list, so there's no need to put any number here. There's no need to put any number here after the colon as well, because we are counting or extracting to the end of the list. So another way to extract Maria and Tom is if we start to count the list from this side. We've previously learned that when we count a list from right to left, from left to right, we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. If we're counting from right to left, Tom is going to be in the -1 position, Maria -2 position. So what we're going to do is department 1. So from the right, give me 2 of the elements. So what we're going to do is -2, and we leave, we don't do anything after the colon. So this is the same as this one, but kind of a mirror image. So this will give us Maria and Tom again. The last point I wanted to discuss is what if we wanted to know the position of Maria. Say Maria is 1, 2, 3, I mean 0, 1, 2. She's in the second position. So what we're going to do is we're going to use what's called indexing method. We have seen append and extend previously in previous videos. In this case, if we want to extract the position of an index or the position of a variable, we use what's called the index method, and that's department one, right, index, and we will write the variable or the element that we want to index or know the position of, which is yeah, I don't think it makes a difference to use double quotation or single quotation. We're going to use a single quotation. And we say shift enter, and she is in the second position 0, 1, 2. I hope this was very helpful. Thank you.